Hello, and welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about relative and absolute cell references. In this video, we will learn something very useful: sorting data in Excel. Sorting helps us arrange data in a proper order, so it becomes easy to read and understand. Let's understand this with a simple example. On the screen, you can see an Excel sheet with names, departments, cities, and salaries. Right now, the data is not arranged in any order. Now let's sort the data step by step. First, we select the entire data. This is very important. Always select the full table before sorting. Now let's sort by name. We click on the name column and choose Sort from A to Z. Excel rearranges the data alphabetically. Now, all names are in proper order. Next, let's sort by salary. We select the salary column and choose smallest to largest. Excel now shows salaries from lowest to highest. This helps us quickly see who earns less and who earns more. Now let's sort in the opposite way. We choose largest to smallest. Excel rearranges the data again. This is very useful in reports and office work. Sorting is not limited to text and numbers. We can also sort by dates, for example, joining date or payment date. Excel can arrange dates from oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Now, here is something important to remember. When sorting data, always select the full table and make sure headers are included. Otherwise, Excel may mix the data. Sorting does not change your data. It only changes the order. So you can sort anytime without fear. In this video, you learned what sorting is, why sorting is useful, and how to sort data by text, numbers, and dates. In the next video, we will learn filtering in Excel and see how to show only the data we need. Thank you for watching. Practice sorting data in Excel and keep learning step by step.